Hello everybody, it is Miguel from Talk, and today is going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm going to be explaining what criminals.org is, guys, okay? So here you have many videos that I've uploaded, like 1 million crooks caught. We caught 1 million crooks. My live version of We Catch Lots of Crooks, the original version of We Catch Lots of Crooks, Sylvester the Crooks, or the Crook, When the Crooks Invade, and Am I a Crook? Ha! That was in Roblox! And that was when I was playing Jailbreak, guys. So, as you can see here, we have a lot of things. And if you look up criminals, you will see criminals.org and things like this, guys. So, I'll be explaining what criminals.org is. So, this is the song I made about criminals.org. And what it is it is my organization I made with Big Squatch and the Woofers, and we catch crooks, guys, like police. So we are the heroes of Romtuk, and people in Romtuk is my city, guys. So for those of you that don't know, I'm making this video to explain to people who don't know or are new to the channel what criminals.org is, what we do here, and what Romtuk is. Romtuk is the city that I rule, guys. So I rule over Romtuk, and I'm the ruler. So criminals.org is the organization I made with Big Squatch and the Woofers, which are the roadies. So the roadies are basically my group. So it's me, Big Squatch, my best friend, and the three woofers, Woofer Coco, Woofer Tyler, and Woofer Buggin. So we're all together and we're called the Rambunctious Roadies. So I'm probably going to make this video multiple times because I know not everybody gets to see this. But I'll have to explain it every now and then, which is what I'm doing right now. So, Criminals.org is the organization I made with my other friends and the roadies, where we catch crooks and we save the day, guys. That's right. In my song, the Ram, I'll just do the roadies. We find the song I made, the first song, here it is, the Rambunctious Roadies featuring Big Squatch. So in this song, Big Squatch has a line that says, catching crooks to save the day. Okay, so in multiple songs here, I am mentioning crooks and how we catch them, and how we are criminals.org, and we catch all the crooks. So I mainly wanted to make this video in case people thought we were the crooks, which we are not. We are not the crooks. Criminals.org is where we catch all the crooks and save the day. Now, I have made many videos. So crooks again. So, this is a song. This is the video I made about when we caught 1 million crooks in total, guys. And then following that, I made a song which has 60 views, guys, which is crazy. Like, this is amazing. 11 likes. Gosh. Oh, including mine. So, yes, we have Sylvester the Crook, which I do not. Woo! I do not want to get into this because it is a super long thing. So yes, guys, I had to cut the video because I got off track. I was talking about my songs and everything, guys. So, what I was talking about is criminals.org and all the crooks. One more time. I have a song. This video. This is where I sang my songs live, where I had an entire live performance at the Rumtalk Arena. Then here's the first song about the crooks. Sylvester, When the Crooks Invade, and we have all of this stuff, guys, my albums and everything here. See, there's the Live at Rumtalk Arena thing, my singles. So yes, guys, a quick recap. Criminals.org is the organization I made with Big Squatch and the Woofers, called the Roadies. I'm getting way into this, guys. I want to make sure I explain everything perfectly, which I think I have. But yes, where is the thing? Oh, there it is, sorry. Ha! I could not find the pause button, it was gone, but it just reappeared. Anyway, so me and the roadies, the rambunctious roadies, we made this organization because we love saving the day. We want everybody to be safe, and we want to catch the crooks. You see, once we catch the crooks, we put them in this place where we try to teach them the right ways, and we try to turn them into good people. You see, we don't just throw them in prison. We do have a little prison though for people who are not acting right. After we try to give them the explanation on why we want them to do well, because we want everybody to do well, and even if some people are misleaded and turned into crooks, they can be saved, guys, and that is our job. We want to catch the crooks not only to save the victims, but to also save the crook and make them a hero themselves. So yes, guys, that is my inspirational ramble for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. It is quite late. It is 10 o'clock, but I wanted to make this video. I've been working on a lot of projects recently, guys, which is why I haven't been uploading very much. As you can see, we have 5 days ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago. I used to be uploading a lot, but I've been working on 2 projects, guys. And today I called one of my best friends, guys, on Discord. We have not had a very long conversation in a long time, so I was super happy to get to call him. I'm sorry, guys, I got off track again. But what I was talking about is I called one of my best friends on Discord today, and it was pretty cool, guys. I've not used Discord very often, but I use it sometimes to talk to people. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. Today was the explanation of criminals.org. If you want to see more videos of gaming and songs and vlogs, be sure to subscribe, guys, and like the video, because I'll be doing a lot more. We've hit 72 subscribers, guys, which is completely insane. Which is like, I can't even believe how we've gotten this far. 72, guys. Thank you all for subscribing, and see you later. I'm Miguel. Goodbye. Yay!